What's happening, guys? Thank you for tuning in to Nuts and Boltz. Today, we are going to be doing some shop improvements. We're still going to be working on the Hugger Orange E28 SS replica clone. We got some really exciting stuff for this. We have wheels, tires we're going to be doing today. We have rotors. We're going to be doing some sandblasting, things like that on it. We also did some stuff up in the front. We got the SOP lid on. We did the block-off plate on the intake. So we'll show you that stuff. We also are going to be doing all the light changes all up in the shop because it is pretty horrible right now. To be honest with you, my cameraman, Jake, is like, dude, you got to fix it. So we're going to get all this fixed up and nice and bright in here because right now there's an impossibility to try to get like, you know, any kind of good shots on anything. We got our scissor lifts. We got about 18-foot ceilings in here. So we got a nice scissor lift. The guys went and picked it up this morning and yeah, it should make it pretty easy. We got some round lights. We got some long lights. It should brighten up everything up in here. So, and we're gonna be doing some more stuff to the shop. We got floors to do. Eventually we're gonna get all this covered in here. And so that's gonna help. That's gonna help a ton. And just trying to dress it up to make it look nice and cool. But the car itself, we still got the back of all of our exhausts to still go in. We got the headers on, that's all good. The Y pipe's in, but we still have some stuff to do underneath. We're gonna do some sandblasting and things. Like if you get in here, you see kind of some surface stuff all up in here. We got the new rotors. We're gonna paint the calipers, the Hugger Orange also. And then on this one over here, we'll have to go around our junk. That's the old parts. Look how much, like from that, huge difference, right? Huge difference. It's gonna make a world of difference. It's probably a 40-pound difference. But you can tell all this is gonna get painted. All this is gonna get sandblasted. We're gonna take care of all that. And it's just all surface stuff. Nice and good rotors. Nice and good hubs. Just to clean it all up because this car is gonna be top notch. We did get the SOP hood on, lid on the hood. This is gonna open up some of the breathing, gets rid of the baffles. We have the old one up in here. And it's just this huge monstrosity of a thing that was right in here. And it just does nothing. It does absolutely nothing. Couldn't tell you what it does, to be honest with you. And it looks ugly. So this opens up a lot of room, a lot of space in here. SOP, and then we put the block-up plate for some of the smog stuff on the LSX, which is legal because this is over 25 years old. It's all good. It's legal. And then we got the headers in. We got the red wires in. So yeah, it should give it a little bit more horsepower. We're probably gonna have to end up getting it tuned because we do have the headers on it. But from there, we got the wheels and tires. We're gonna go load them up in the truck, drop them off. I need to bring the lights to the guys real quick. So bear with us. We're gonna just move some stuff around and then be right back at you. All right, guys. See the side of the box? Well, baby. These are the wheels going on the Camaro. They are the Weld Laguna. They're 9.5. They're super freaking light. Kind of got dusty in there on this one because we couldn't wait to see them, so we had to open them up. We got the 285s going on the back, 245s going on the front, and these are 18-inch, so these are gonna look pretty freaking amazing on the car. This is really gonna take that kind of V8, that V6 look that it has with those like crazy whack 16-inch wheels, and it's really gonna make it look, give it a little bit of an aggression to it. So pretty excited about this. I'm gonna load these up. Tires are already in the truck, and then we'll head over to the wheel shop, get these mounted, bring them back, and they're not gonna go on today, but we'll give you a little sneak peek. Right now we're gonna go to the tire shops to some local guys. Hopefully they let us like film so y'all can get some footage of them, get them mounted and all that stuff. And then we'll load them back up, take them back to the shop and see what they look like. Those are 245, and these are the rear ones and they're directional.
Okay, cool.
With this 285. Hopefully those aren't too narrow. They might stretch a little bit, but I think they're fine. It's only a 9.5.
All right.
So
these are.
they're all the same.
No.
They're all the same exact size. I think.
Well, the bottom ones are bigger.
9.5.
Yeah. This one and I believe this one are both a little bit.
That's the wrong wheels.
What?
It's my wrong wheels.
Okay.
All right, guys, a little turn of events. I grabbed the wrong wheels. I grabbed the OBS wheels. I need to go back to the shop. Luckily, it's only like 10 minutes. So I got to go back to the shop, grab the right wheels, and head back. All right, guys, we got them loaded up since Eber got the wrong wheels loaded up for us earlier. I'm just playing. Let's head back to the shop. We're back. We got the wheels. They look pretty good. The fronts are a little stretched, more to my liking, but I think we're all right with it. Looks really freaking good. We still gotta do some work back behind us, so we're not gonna mount them right now, but looks like it's gonna clear pretty good. Might stick out a tad. Man, I think these are gravy, man. These are really, really just gonna set the car off, especially with this orange and the black. We'll get the calipers painted, Hugger Orange, and give it that nice contrast. It kind of just goes back and forth. But man, you can't beat these wheels. I've always wanted to get a set of welds. And man, what better to put it on a Hugger Orange Camero? So it's one of those things that's just goes together like peanut butter and jelly, you know. So the whole tobacco with the wheels and tires and everything. But the good news is the guy's got all the lighting done. If you look up, got them here. This over here is kind of a good example. If you saw the shot before, it was like right before you wake up in the morning kind of lighting. So this is great. It's going to give us a lot better lighting to work on the vehicles, to be able to see what we're working on, do what we're doing, shoot some content, and be able to really open things up for us. We're going to sandblast this. What's it called? The Nakuma? What's it called?
What?
The Nakuma? The Nakuma sandblaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get the Nakuma sandblaster, then we're gonna sandblast all this surface rust off, because we can't have these like pretty wheels and like all that junk behind it. That'll like drive me insane. So, and you just got to do it right. You got to do it right by the car, right? You can't leave it like that.
How's that working?
It works.
That's a lot of material on the.
Wait, are we already like out?
If that's the case, man, he might get it. Oh no.
No, it's still there. You still got some.
Ran out of sand already?
Yeah, we got a little bit of sand left. It's going through it pretty quick. This Nampu is, I don't know, might be poo-poo. All right, so the Nampu went poo-poo, and we've decided that we're going to use traditional elbow grease with some with some wire brushes, maybe some wire wheels. But yeah, we're not doing that. That sucker went everywhere. And I mean,
how much of a mess it made in that little
that was 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes. But yeah, I've always wanted one. So that's why I was like, hey, let's get one. Yeah. Just so y'all know, don't do that. I mean, that was stupid. That was stupid. So yeah. We'll get it cleaned up though. We'll get it painted. It's still gonna look pretty. Doesn't matter. Lesson learned. $50 down the drain. All right, guys. That's pretty much a wrap for today. We got the tires all mounted on the wheels, so that was nice. Lights look so much better in the shop. We're pretty excited about having a place that we can actually film in. The the sandblasting was a debacle, but we'll get that fixed. We'll get some wire brushes and get that all cleaned up. We'll catch you back next time with just taking care of all those components, getting them cleaned up, getting them sprayed, getting them painted, making them all look nice. We have a lowering kit we're gonna put on this. We're gonna drop it, and then we'll lower this to the ground. Everybody can get a good look at it, and man, super excited about that. So y'all take care. God bless y'all. If y'all like the video, subscribe, like it, do whatever y'all do. If you don't like it, tell us what we can do better, man. We're all cool about that. So God bless. Take care.